In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate ratios in Microsoft Excel. If you want to display two values as a ratio in Excel, there's a very quick way to do it using this simple formula. In this example, we'll combine the values from columns A and B so they appear in ratio format inside column C. To begin, click on cell C2. This is where the ratio result will appear for the first row of data. Choosing the correct output cell matters because you want the ratio to sit alongside the two values you're comparing. In this layout, column A contains the first number, column B contains the second number, and column C will show the ratio. Once cell C2 is selected, type this formula exactly as shown, equals A2, then an ampersand, then a colon inside quotation marks, then another ampersand, and finally B2. Written out, the formula is equals A2 ampersand quote colon quote ampersand B2. What this does is join the value in A2 with the value in B2 while placing a colon in between them. The ampersand symbol in Excel is used to combine or concatenate pieces of text and numbers. So instead of performing a mathematical division, this formula creates a visual ratio such as 3, 5, or 10.2, depending on the numbers in those cells. That's an important distinction because this method is ideal when you want the ratio displayed in standard ratio notation. After entering the formula, press enter. Excel will immediately show the combined ratio in cell C2. If the values in A2 and B2 were 4 and 7, for example, the result would display as 4, 7. Next, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of cell C2 until you see the small fill handle. Then drag it downward to copy the formula into the cells below. This saves time and automatically applies the same pattern to the rest of your rows. As you drag down, Excel will adjust the row references for you. So A2 and B2 become A3 and B3, then A4 and B4, and so on. This is a fast and practical way to show ratios across a full list of data. Just keep in mind that this formula displays the ratio as text, which is perfect for presentation and readability. And that's how to calculate ratios in Microsoft Excel.